Chapbun, Thailand, an agricultural paradise tucked away from busy cities and industries. Amid the pristine flora and fresh mountain air, are farms handpicked for their certified organic produce. This is where NTUC FairPrice brings you a new house brand range of wholesome organic produce with an Asian twist. Pasar Organic. Being passionate about delivering the best value, quality and service to our customers, FairPrice has invested in research and development, engaging third-party expertise to ensure that Pasar Organic truly meets the standards of organic agriculture. Ever wondered what organic really means? It is a labeling term for produce grown under specific organic principles and handling practices, substantiated by certification. The primary goal of organic agriculture is to optimize the health and productivity of interdependent communities of soil life, plants, animals, and humans. Organic agriculturalists adhere to the principles of health, ecology, fairness, and care. To be certified organic, the farm's production, produce, packaging and delivery processes must be subject to regular audits. At FairPrice, certification is just the beginning. To make sure that our Pasar Organic produce is truly organic, we went a step further, developing the NTUC FairPrice Organic Assurance Program, also known as NOAP. The NOAP is the first quality assurance program developed in Singapore that assures the organic integrity of the produce from farm to store. Together with Agri-Food Technologies Private Limited, the NOAP verifies that Pasar Organic produce is truly organic.
ATP acts as the third-party independent auditor to ensure that the entire supply chain of Pasar Organic products meet with the international standards under the NTUC FairPrice Organic Assurance Program.
We began development of the NTUC FairPrice Organic Assurance Program 1.5 years ago in response to feedback from the public that there is a need for better assurance.
One of the hallmarks of organic agriculture is the rich and diverse soil life. Multi-award-winning agriculturalist Somai Nudang approaches soil enrichment in a holistic way. Her farms, which exclusively supply to Pasar Organic selections, forbid the use of any petroleum-based fertilizers or synthetic chemicals. True to being organic, she uses compost from a farm-made cocktail of crop residue, rice bran, manure from free-range cattle, and a special dose of effective microorganisms. The results are obvious. A bio-rich soil full of nutrients, attested by the presence of earthworms and soil microbes. Maintaining the life and richness of the soil through naturally sustainable means and allowing the land to rest after each harvest is vital to the organic process. In addition to the active living soil and the thriving ecosystem of organic farms, the seeds sown in organic agriculture must come from healthy organic parent seed varieties that are not genetically modified in any way.
Our farming method ensure ecological balance and maintain the biodiversity in the environment.
Organic farmers rely on water sources that are clean and free from chemical contamination. Organic farming is known for its water-saving virtues as well. As much as 10 times less water is used in organic agriculture. Farmers employ buffer zones to prevent contamination of the farm environment from pollutants, spray drift and contaminants from other farms. These barriers or buffer zones usually consist of large belts of natural occurring forest growth. With an intimate knowledge of life cycles, farmers also practice intercropping to maximize farm resources effectively and to enhance farm biodiversity. To safeguard against pollutants from excessive use of machinery, organic farming is much more labor-intensive. During harvest, care is taken to avoid contamination or soil erosion. Once harvested, the produce begins a journey that will take them safely from the farm, processing house, storage facility, and finally to FairPrice stores in Singapore. First off, the produce is sent to a processing house dedicated to packing organic produce. Here, samples of each crop are tested individually for traces of contaminants or chemical residue. Once certain that Pasar organic produce are free from chemical contaminants, the workers begin the process of cleaning, trimming, weighing and packing. Dedicated solely to organic produce, the processing house has stringent quality control standards and organic handling practices. Staff are trained to follow strict operating procedures that safeguard against the risk of commingling or contamination by conventional produce. Once packed and labelled, the produce is boxed and sealed in cartons or ice boxes to keep them fresh for their journey to Singapore.
We first inspected the farm environment and the operations of the supply chain operators. We also interviewed and assessed the operators' management systems, as well as inspected the operators' documentation and traceability systems.
All Pasar organic vegetables are handled according to NTUC FairPrice Organic Assurance Program standard.
From the processing houses, Pasar organic produce is delivered to NTUC FairPrice's Fresh Food Distribution Centre. Upon arrival, checks are conducted to ensure the produce travelled properly sealed in optimum temperature right through its journey to maintain organic integrity. Even at the centre, precautions are taken to make sure nothing compromises Pasar Organic's wholesome goodness before their final journey to FairPrice stores all over the island.
Now that the NTUC FairPrice Organic Assurance Program is in place, our customers can be doubly assured that the vegetables which are labelled as Pasar Organic is really organic.